Hi Taylor, this is Andrew here at Tameron Hyundai. I want to thank you in the Fiat 500. We have it right here. Let's take a closer look. Of course, we have the iconic Fiat emblem right in the middle of the chrome accent grille. We've got projector headlights as well as fog lights, new tires. For a small vehicle, really a lot of room to this too. Let's take a look at the interior. This is a hatchback, but really wide two-tone bench seating as well as bucket seating in the front. You have backup camera, Bluetooth navigation, a lot of options in this vehicle. As you can see, bigger than you thought. The best thing to do really, just come down and see me here at 1591 Montgomery Highway in Hoover, across the Wells Fargo Bank, or give me a call. The number here is 205-380-6250. Or call me on my cell phone at 205-66-1102. And here at Tameron Hyundai, you all very treat and hope to see you soon. Thank you.